Hello everyone, my name is Harshvardhan and you are watching another WebGuy YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about strings in Python. So roll up the intro and let's get started. And if you have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. String literals in Python are surrounded by either single quotation mark or double quotation mark. For example, hello in single quote is same as the hello in double quote. You can display a string literal by using print function. For example, print hello in single quote or print hello in double quote. You can assign a string to a variable by using a variable name, say var, then a equal to sign and your string, let's say hello world. Let's print out var. Output is hello world. You can also assign multi-line string to a variable by using three quotes. You can either use double quote or single quote. For example, I'll say var1 is equals to, in the single quote, and I will print out var1. This is the multi-line string, or I can also do var2 is equals to, inside the double quote, and I will print out var2. Output is same as that of var1. Like many other programming language, strings in Python are array of bytes representing characters. Let's understand these arrays first. An array is a special variable which can hold more than one value at a time. For example, if you have list of items, say list of car names, then the storing cars in a single variable will look like this. I will say car1 is equals to Ford, car 2 is BMW, car 3 is equals to Ferrari. Let's say you want to store name of 300 cars. So what will you do? Will you create 300 variables to store them? Obviously no. The solution is an array. An array can hold many values under the single name, and you can access them by referring to an index numbers. Let's understand this. I will say cars equals to Ford, BMW and Ferrari. Now the first element of this list will be at index 0. It means that if you want to grab Ford, then you have to use index 0. So you will use cars. Inside the square bracket, you will specify the index position. So I will say 0 and it will return back me Ford. BMW is at index 1. So I will say cars 1. It gives me the output of BMW. Or you can say cars index 2. It gives me Ferrari. Here you can see that the total element in this list is 3, but the final index position is 2 as we are using 0 based indexing. Python does not have a character data type. A single character is simply a string of length 1. We will understand this length or len function in later section of the course. Square brackets can be used to access element of the string. For example, var is equals to hello world. World. Now I want to grab the very first character of the string. That means this h. So I will say var, now 0th index. It returns me h. Let's say I want to get var 2. It gives me L because H is at index position 0, then E at index position 1, and this L is at index position 2. So that's all for this. See you in the next lecture.